video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be bringing you guys along on decorating my dining room table with me. I'll be showing you what products I reused from my Christmas table video to this video, and new products that I purchased and things I've already had that we're going to use to decorate this table. Just want to give you a view of how the table looks, my dining room table. My house is not, really big, so my dining room table is not the biggest, but it's very, very gorgeous. Love it, love it. I did already shine it. It's raw wood, so I already get a little wood shine there to give it that glossiness. So let me set you guys down so we can start decorating the table. So we're gonna start off by putting the runner on the table. This runner, I used it for my Christmas decor on my table. This I got it at the Dollar Tree. You are gonna hear my son. He is playing in his room right now, so I'm sorry about that in advance. So we're gonna lay down this runner first. Now that we have the table runner, we're gonna put our candle holders down. These candle holders, I got them at AC Mall before they closed here where I'm from. So we're just gonna place these on the sides. And what I'm gonna put on top here to give it a different look is this little candle wreath, you can say. I got this at Joann's. It was on clearance because it was considered Christmas. I think it's very cute, it's very beautiful. So I got it for a really good price. This I'm gonna lay on top. It's supposed to be for the bottom, but my candle holder is actually too big for the bottom here for it to go through, so I'm just gonna lay it on the top. And I thought it was cute because to give it a different look. So I have these two candle holders here that I'm just gonna put on the sides. And for the middle here, I have a tier tray. This tier tray I got at Marshall's. It was in the clearance section due to the reason that one of the little balls here was missing. So my husband just ended up cutting the other two. And I don't mind it being flat, did not bother me at all for the price. It was a really good price. We're just gonna center this in the center. And to decorate the tier tray, I have this little wreath here. I got this at Target around Thanksgiving time. I thought it would be very cute to put on the top. And to finish off the top, I have this little bless sign. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Actually, it was in a clearance side as well because it was broken here in the back. But I just put some tape for the time being until I can figure out some other way to fix it. But it'll be laying so you can't see anything in the front. Just if you sit in the back of the table, then you might notice it, but it's not a biggie for me. And I really like the way it looks laying here down. So I'm gonna place that there. Now for the bottom half of the tier tray, I have this cute little house that I got at Target in the dollar spot. It was in clearance as well because it was Christmas. It does turn on. So we're just gonna lay that on the side. To the other side of the tier tray, I'm gonna use this Dollar Tree candle holder. The rocks are from the Dollar Tree as well as the candle inside. So we're just gonna lay that on the other side. For the front of that, we're gonna lay down this Hobby Lobby little sign I got. Very cute, so we're gonna lay that in the front. And for the back of the tier tray, have these two products from Target that were in the dollar spot. I got them around Thanksgiving time as well. So we're gonna lay that here in the back. So now I'm gonna show you how I decorated the plates. So these plates I got at Hobby Lobby. The perfect thing about them is that they're white, so they go with any color theme or any theme of the year. So these are just gonna be the same. I use these in my Christmas decor as well. And then I have this white plate here. I got this at a thrift store, exactly 4 of them that they had. I'm gonna place these on the top. Then I'm gonna use the silverware that I made for the Christmas video for my table decor as well. I'm gonna lay that right here on the top. So you guys can see that. Just right here. And then I'm gonna use the same napkin that I used in my Christmas video as well for the table. Now I'm just gonna lay that on top. In the flaps that are out here, I'm just gonna tuck them in. Just like so. And there I have my plate decorated for my table. So now we're gonna place the plates already done on top of the table. I only put 4 of these. The ends, I don't really put anything. I like the way the table. I'm happy with everything it turned out. We're done. And here we have the end product. Very, very easy to do. Nothing too complicated.